about the camera mount coming loose anymore. I have taken a few small screws and drilled them into the chin bar of the camera mount and got that fixed, so it is not coming loose anymore. And for the audio, I've tested it like this before, but it sounded a lot better than before. So what I have done is mounted the recorder itself inside my helmet in the chin bar, so it's like right in front of my face with some Velcro so I can take it out each night. Right now I'm running with my visor cracked, so hopefully it'll sound decent this way because my visor keeps fogging up on me as I close it. Excuse me. So hopefully this sounds decent. And I don't see why it would catch too much wind noise right where it's at, because it's below the visor opening, and being so close to the chin bar, I could see the chin bar acting as a buffer and keeping the wind away from it. But you never know. So hopefully this comes out decent. If it does, then I will be putting it up to get some opinions, or to at least show how the audio will be sounding. And if I put it up, this will be going up before my next two videos. Excuse me. And those two will be with the audio the way it used to be, because I tend to make videos and keep them saved for a little bit and try and post them every so many days or so. But also I want to let you guys know that come Saturday I may not be posting any videos for a few days, or for probably close to a week, because I am going with a buddy of mine who is a trucker, and we're going to be taking a trip out to California. And if all goes to plan, we're going to be taking my bike with us. You know, we're going to try and load it up in the trailer of his rig and take it with us. And if that's the case, we'll get, some footage from riding out there. But there's a way I'm planning on taking my gear so I can do a few videos. Just, in general. So, yeah, that's what's planned, and I've been kind of sick the past couple days, so I'm sitting here coughing, and I'm out of breath just from riding here, which I need to, I know I need to get in better shape, but I'm not that out of shape. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I wanted to just, holy crap, I just noticed how tall that grass over there got. Just wanted to give you guys an update and let you see what there is to expect.